Hello, Stampin' friends. This is Julia Fair in Fair's Craft Lair, and I am completing our third part in the series of the Sincerely Santa Advent Calendar video class. So again, if you need to contact me at all, or if you're looking to order any of the products, I have a special going on this week that is, if you spend $25 or more, you can get 5 cards from my card stash for free. And if you let me know what you're looking for, I will gladly try to accommodate you and your needs as far as your cards go, and they will come to you in the mail absolutely free. Just make sure you use that host code. That host code is actually going to be good till the end of the month. All right, so I have assembled a whole bunch more of these beautiful little envelopes, and I've shown you a few designs, and I'm going to show you the other designs that I did. Here's one. I just used one of the doilies and one of the snowflakes, and I did add some rhinestones, but that's the only other thing that I pulled in for this kit. But what I wanted to show you first is I just got some self-adhesive or adhesive back Velcro, and I put a little square at the top, and that's where it's going to attach to the card, and then on the flap. And so I'm just going to show you what I did. I just put the other part that sticks to it on there, and when you put it on and make it stick to itself and then close it, it ends up in the right spot. So then these little envelopes will open and close. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing with the top for the envelope. So all of mine are set up to do that right now. Okay, so I've shown you this one. Let me go through the other designs real quick. Did kind of a starry night theme, and then I love these. I did this one in a red and a green, and I told you guys I would probably come up with some of the same patterns. So here's red and green for wreaths. All right, and then I did kind of a starry night with a tree, and I did 2 of these also with the snowflakes, lots of bling. All right, oh, I got my space heater on, and it's quite toasty. All right, that one is just a fun one, and then I did a whole bunch of these that were like little presents in various formats, which I really like. And I of course had to do the jingle bells on one. So there's my jingle bells, right? And then another 2 from. And then the other things that I stamped with the Sincerely Santa stamp set. I did Fa La La, Joy to Your World with the glittery stars, the foil stars. And then I just used one of my markers and went over the word joy on Joy to Your World and only stamped joy. All right, so there are all of my pieces. Okay, so what I did in addition to this is I am pulling in 1 piece of the All Is Bright Designer Series paper. And what I did is measure the very middle, and I want open on December 25th to go right in the middle. So what I'm going to do, hopefully not bump my camera because that's usually what ends up happening. I'm going to take this little backing off. Okay. I'll bring my garbage can a little closer. Okay. And I'm going to center right above that little X and press it down. Okay. So I can figure out everything else that I want from there. And what the plan is that I'm going to have a couple little envelopes on this side, and then we'll go the other direction. Some green. Okay, so I am going to keep going with this and pull them all in, and they're 2 1/4 inch. So they should all fit on my 12 by 12 sheet, okay? But what I wanted to do is make sure that I'm doing 1 green back alternating, okay? And I have 1 extra of the red that I did versus the green. So that should show up. So let me just get this laid out a little bit, and I'll just kind of walk you through what I do as far as designing goes. I don't want 2 that are going to be the same next to one another. with exception, and this is why I'm laying it out first, with exception of ho, ho, ho. I want the ho, 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 because this is actually a little bit bigger. I'm putting this all the way down this side. Okay, so that they have some space off to the side. And that's the only reason why that one's going to go there. And then this one green could go there. Okay, that one's up there, so let's put this one here. Ooh, but now that puts 2 snowflakes there, so let's move that guy over there. I want maybe fa la la, I'll go up there. Joy to your world can go there. Lots of wreath shapes are close. I don't want them too close to each other. It's a greenback that can go there. I guess you'll go there. Ta-da! Ta-da! Getting close. Okay, so now I have 2 trees that are next to each other. That won't work. And I have 2 snowflakes that are next to each other, so that won't work. So let's... Move you here. That will work. And then... let's just switch the present in the tree. All right. So I'm going to get that all adhered down, but you can see my design process and how this is going to work. I'll probably see if I can mat with something else around it. So let me get that all in frame for you. That would be a good thing too, so that y'all can see it. Oh, there we go. That works. You can see what the final product's going to look like. I'm going to get that all adhered down, and then I will be showing it on my blog. So make sure that you check that out. And again, I'm here if you need me for anything, but otherwise I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. And I'll see you next time soon. Thanks. Bye.